In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video project by creating a beautiful vignette effect using DaVinci Resolve. This process is straightforward and really brings a professional touch to your footage. Whether you're targeting a vintage look, focusing the audience's attention, or adding visual interest, the vignette effect is an excellent tool to have in your editing arsenal. First, let's get started by opening DaVinci Resolve. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's available on the official website. Once you have the program launched and your project opened, look for the Effects panel. You'll find this on the top of your interface. Clicking here is your gateway to a whole world of visual effects, where you can really start to get creative. Now, within the Effects panel, you'll want to locate Resolve FX. This is the section dedicated to pre-built effects that you can tinker with. For our purposes today, we want to find the vignette effect. The great thing about DaVinci Resolve is its intuitive search functionality. So just type vignette into the search bar and the software will take you right to the effect. Once you've found the vignette effect, it's time to apply it to your video. Simply click and drag the vignette effect onto your video clip in the timeline. This will automatically apply the default vignette settings to your footage, but we're going to customize it to ensure it enhances your project just the way you like. Now here's where it gets fun. With the vignette applied, you can start adjusting its settings. DaVinci Resolve offers a range of controls, letting you tweak aspects like seize, softness, and feathering. The key is in the subtle adjustments. You want the vignette to enhance, not overpower your video. Take your time to play around with these settings, viewing your changes in real time in the preview window to get it just right. If you're going for a vintage effect, you might want a slightly larger and softer vignette. For a dramatic focus on a subject, tighten that vignette up and increase the darkness. When you feel satisfied with the adjustments, you're pretty much done. But I always recommend giving your entire video a once-over, paying close attention to how the vignette transitions from one clip to another. This can make all the difference in ensuring your final product looks polished and professional. Don't forget to save your project to keep all these changes intact. And there you have it, a custom vignette effect in DaVinci Resolve that will surely make your video stand out. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with the vast tools available in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy editing.